Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today also I'm going to pick up a topic and I'm going to speak 20 to 25 sentences on that topic so that you can also start picking up and you can also start practicing along with me. Now these topics are very simple, very basic, very conversational. We speak about it every now and then, every single time when we have a conversation with people. So these are very important questions or very important topics which I'm going to take up. And I'm going to use very simple basic sentences to talk about it. So you can practice shadowing with me, you can practice speak with me, repeat after me, or imitation. Whatever you wish, you can do that. This will help you in your pronunciation, in your sentence building, familiarity with the language, how to speak it, and how the tone, rhythm, and intonation, everything else. So it will be easier for you to start speaking in English, and this is the best exercise for beginners at least. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach or an English trainer or an English coach, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's get to the topic. So today I'm going to pick up the topic, my educational qualification. How do you talk about your education? Right, we all have to. At some point of time, you all have been asked this question, what do you do? Or what do you study? Or where do you study? Or what is your qualification? During interviews or when you meet your friends, family, relatives, colleagues, people do ask about it. So how do we answer this question? How do we answer on this topic? I'm going to tell you in this video. I'm going to speak up 20 to 25 sentences so that you know how to speak about it and how you can practice English speaking with this topic, my educational qualification or my education. Anything you can take up, right? So let's start. Let's start with our school and then we'll go to the college and then we'll go next. Okay, so starting with school, my first sentence will be, I did my schooling from an English medium school. Or I did my schooling from a convent school. Okay, next. It was an ICSE board, or it was a CBSE board, or it was a state board. Anything, whichever you wish, you can just add. Okay, next. The name of my school is St. Joseph's School. The name of my school is St. Joseph's School. The name of my school is St. Joseph's School. Or whatever the name of your school is, you can just put it there. Okay, next. I always enjoyed my school days. I really enjoyed my school days. I still have a lot of memories of my school. My school was very beautiful. It was very big. My school was very beautiful. It was big. It had a canteen also. We used to have samosas from the canteen. We used to have samosas from the canteen. There was a big playground. There was a big playground. During sports time, we used to go out and play in the playground. The teachers were also very educated and very good. The teachers were also very educated. They were very good. I never wanted to miss my school. I enjoyed my studies as well. We used to have a lot of celebrations in school. I participated in a lot of events. I also participated in a lot of events. I started learning to speak in English during my school days. And I think it really helped me to be where I am today. So this is about school. Okay. I just tried to speak as many things as I can about my school. Whatever you find, you also will get some idea listening to me. Whatever ideas you get, you can also add those ideas and you can start speaking about yours school. Right? There are various incidences and memories which we want to speak about, right? So if you have those, you can just speak about it also in this part. Okay, next, coming to my college life. Where did I study and how was my college life like? Okay, or the basic qualification I received from the college. I did my graduation in biotechnology, right? So, I did my graduation in biotechnology, or I did my engineering in computer science, right? So, anything you can speak about. The name of my college was so and so. The name of my college was Pune University or Mumbai University or Amity University, anything, whatever, whichever college you graduated in, right? You can just name the college. My college was very beautiful. I love my college premises. The teachers were also very good. They really helped us to make things easier for us. The management was also good. I used to live in hostel, and the hostel facility was also good, I would say. The mess was not up to the mark, but then it was okay. There was a cafeteria in our college as well, but it was not great. I didn't like the cafeteria food. So our mess food was better than the cafeteria food. When we wanted to eat something good, we went out of the college premises, and there were a lot of cafes and restaurants which served good food. So when we wanted to eat something from outside, we went out of the campus, and there were a lot of cafes and restaurants which served good food. So we used to eat outside whenever we wanted. Saturdays and Sundays were fun. We used to go out to chill. Sometimes we used to watch movies. Sometimes we used to go out for shopping or just eating out and coming back. Everybody was very cooperative. Exams were on time. Again, here also we had an annual event, and we used to have events in between as well. We also got a lot of opportunity to participate in these events. So that was a plus point. I also tried to participate in a lot of events, and it helped me to become more confident about myself. After my graduation, I thought of studying further. So I got into MBA. I did my MBA from Mumbai University or Delhi University, whatever you can say. Okay, and the name of the college was so and so. Again, I stayed in a hostel. The environment was good. The people were very friendly. The teachers were also good. I got a good exposure during my MBA. The teachers also helped us to choose our professions. I think the kind of exposure I got during my MBA helped me to find the right profession for me, or to get into the right profession. I took help from my teachers, and I spoke to people who can help me to figure out what should I do next. My education shaped my future. The qualification I received, or the education I received, it helped me further to pursue my profession with that degree, with that qualification, with that education. So I'm very thankful to my teachers and my education to what I am today. So this is how I described my graduation and post-graduation, right? So you can just start adding more things, whatever ideas you get, you can just add more things to it to practice English speaking. So these are the topics which is very easy to speak on, right? We all have done our graduation, we all have done our schooling, we all have done our certifications or anything, whatever we have done, right? Some degree we have got. We know how to speak about it. We know what we did and whether it has helped us or not. It might be that it has not helped us. We have to do certain other certifications or some other workshops we have to attend, and then we got into some other field. It might happen, right? Or if you have that qualification, it didn't help you to get a job, but you started something of your own, right? That also may be the case. So whichever case it is, whatever case it is, you can just choose that and start speaking about it. Yes, you can just directly speak, my profession didn't help me to shape my future or to shape what I am today. I did something else, right? But somewhere or the other, something or the other, it has helped you with, right? The kind of person you are today. Your education has helped you to become what you are today, right? The kind of person you are, maybe not the profession. So you just have to speak about it. You might have some idea about it, you know about it, right? It's just that you have to speak on it. So speak about your school first, then your graduation and post-graduation, or whatever degree you have taken, or whatever, qualification you have added to your skills or profession or to your qualification. You can just speak about it and describe it in simple sentences. Okay, if not, you can directly speak with me, repeat after me, shadow with me, or imitate with me. These are very simple basic sentences which you can try using, and you can try speaking up to start with. Okay, and this is a topic which you can also add some points of your own as well. So try coming up with new sentences and start speaking on it. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.